Welcome to the lecture series of Math Genius, and today we will be discussing a very important topic, uh, di- that is straight line motion. Okay, for example, if a particle, right, if a particle is projected upwards, vertically upwards, from point A, and the point B is 90 meter above A, given that the particle is above, given that the particle is above B for 7 seconds, we have to find the greatest height of particle, and we have to find the total time of flight. Okay, so this has been repeatedly tested in the mechanics and the physics exams, and what we can do, we can just solve them. Okay, for greatest height, what we have to do? So initially what we are doing, we are saying that it is thrown upwards. Okay, so if I draw the line, so if this is point A, this is point B, and a particle has been thrown and it goes above B. So the distance between these 2 points is 90, but it goes something above B. Okay, so the velocity on going up, right? But it says that above B. So for example, if it is above B, it means that it can be in this region. So it is also below the highest point. It is not always at the greatest height, right? So it also falls below the highest point. So taking it like this, so I am saying that if the upward velocity is u is the upward velocity, then using v is equals to u plus at, v becomes what? Final velocity, because it is coming down, negative u is equals to u minus 10 taking g and 7 seconds. So solving it, we are getting u is equals to 35 meter per second. It means what? It means that the initial velocity was 35 meter per second when it was thrown. Okay, and what we have realized, since acceleration is 10, so it means that the time taken to reach the greatest height is 35 over 10, that is 3.5 seconds. Okay, so in order, it takes 3.5 seconds to reach greatest height from B. Okay, so solving it further, s is equals to ut plus half at square. U is what, 35? Time taken is 3.5 minus half at square, half into 10. T is what? T is 3.5 square. And we are getting a distance of 61.25 meter. So the greatest height of a students end up over here. They end the answer over here and they keep this is as an answer. But the greatest height is basically what? Greatest height is a summation of this and this. We are getting 151.25 meters. Next, the total time of flight. Total time of flight. So for total time, first of all from B to A. Distance is 90. Speed is 35 plus half AT square. Solving it, T square plus 70 T square plus 70 minus 18 is equals to 0. We are getting T plus 9. T minus 2 is equals to 0. So T is equals to 2. So total time of flight is 7 seconds. That was the time that we took, that we calculated initially, because it was given to us in the question that it was above B for 7 seconds and 2 seconds for this 90 meters. So total time of flight is 9 seconds. This is the end of this session.